In today's fast-paced world, confidence can make or break you. It's that one factor that can completely change your life. And in this video, we are going over 6 daily habits that will build unshakable confidence. So let's get right into it. Number 1. Speak kindly to yourself. Your inner dialogue has a profound impact on your confidence levels. How often do you engage in negative self-talk, criticizing your every move? We all do it from time to time, but if you want to be confident, you must first become your biggest fan. When you catch yourself engaging in negative self-talk, counter it with positive affirmations. Instead of saying "I'm so stupid for making that mistake," say "I'm only human and everyone makes mistakes." When you treat yourself with kindness and understanding, you lay the foundation for unshakable confidence. This doesn't mean ignoring your flaws. On the contrary, acknowledging them and choosing to focus on personal growth rather than dwelling in negativity is key. Cultivate self-compassion. Be your own best friend, the one who lifts you up when you're down. Remember, true confidence stems from embracing your imperfections and treating yourself with the love and respect you deserve. Number 2. Keep small promises to yourself. One surefire way to boost your confidence is by keeping small promises to yourself. By consistently honoring your commitments, even those little ones, you build trust in your own abilities. Start small. Promise yourself you will wake up early tomorrow or read a few pages of that book you have been meaning to start. Then fulfill your promise. The satisfaction of keeping your word will increase your confidence. And don't just stop there. Set more goals, both big and small, and commit to them. The more promises you keep, the stronger your confidence becomes. This practice not only boosts your confidence, but also instills discipline and helps you become more accountable. These are essential qualities for achieving any goal and living a fulfilling life. Just remember to be patient with yourself. Building confidence takes time and consistent effort. Celebrate your progress along the way and use setbacks as learning opportunities. As you continue to keep your promises to yourself, you'll witness a remarkable transformation in your confidence levels and overall well-being. Number 3. Stand tall, breathe deep. Your body language speaks volumes about your confidence. Standing tall with good posture and breathing deeply are simple yet powerful ways to project an image of confidence. Good posture signifies strength and self-assurance, while deep breathing calms your nerves and reduces anxiety. So practice these habits daily and watch how they transform the way you feel. Imagine walking into a room and instantly commanding attention and respect. That's the power of strong body language. When you stand tall with your shoulders back and chest out, you convey confidence and power. It's like putting on a suit of armor that gives you the courage to face any challenge. Deep breathing, on the other hand, is like having a secret weapon to conquer nervousness and anxiety. When you take deep breaths, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which calms your body down, allowing you to relax and feel more confident in social situations. Make it a habit to stand tall and breathe deeply throughout your day, not just when you're feeling nervous. Over time, it will become second nature. You'll feel more confident, composed, and ready to tackle any situation that comes your way. Number 4. Do hard things. Stepping out of your comfort zone and conquering challenges is one of the most effective ways to build unshakable confidence. It's like a workout for your mind and spirit, pushing you to become stronger and more resilient. So find challenges that excite you and embrace the process of overcoming them. Facing and conquering challenges is like a workout for your mind and spirit. It pushes you to become stronger and more resilient. Start by identifying your comfort zone and gradually push the boundaries. Set short-term goals that are challenging but achievable. For example, if you're shy, start by talking to someone new each week. As you gain confidence, you can set more ambitious goals, such as public speaking. Each time you step out of your comfort zone, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and pride. You'll realize that you're capable of more than you think, and that will boost your confidence. Remember, true confidence isn't about never falling. It's about picking yourself up and trying again. Embrace challenges, learn from your mistakes, and keep pushing forward. With each obstacle you overcome, your confidence will grow. So what are you waiting for? Start doing hard things today and build unshakable confidence. Number 5. Dress to feel good. Your attire can significantly impact how you feel and how others perceive you. Dressing in a way that makes you feel good about yourself is a daily habit that can help you build unshakable confidence. It's like putting on a superhero cape that gives you the power to conquer the world. Choose outfits that flatter your body type and make you feel comfortable and confident. Whether it's a well-tailored suit or a casual yet stylish ensemble, dressing well is a powerful tool for boosting your confidence. When you look good, you feel good, and that positive self-image radiates to those around you, making a great first impression and fostering respect and admiration. Don't just follow fashion trends blindly. Develop your personal style that reflects your personality and makes you feel amazing. Experiment with different colors, patterns, and textures to find what works best for you. A well-curated wardrobe is an investment in yourself and your confidence. It is like having a team of personal stylists that is always ready to help you look and feel your best. Take the time to find pieces that fit you well, flatter your figure, and make you feel like $1,000,000. Whether it's a classic little black dress or a pair of well-fitted jeans, your go-to outfits should be your secret weapons for looking and feeling confident. Remember, dressing to impress doesn't mean dressing overly formal or trying to be someone you're not. It's about enhancing your natural charm and making it shine. So go ahead, experiment with your style, find what makes you feel confident, and rock it with pride. And number 6, surround yourself with growth. The company you keep plays a significant role in shaping your confidence levels. Surrounding yourself with positive and supportive people who encourage your growth can work wonders for your self-esteem. Seek out individuals who inspire you, uplift your spirits, and challenge you to be your best self. Nurture relationships with those who see your potential and believe in your abilities. Their belief in you will bolster your confidence and motivate you to achieve your dreams. Remember, your confidence is contagious. When you surround yourself with positive and supportive people, it creates a ripple effect that boosts everyone's spirits. So choose your circle wisely and build a network that supports your growth and nurtures your confidence. Attend networking events, join clubs or groups related to your interests, and volunteer to meet new people who share your passions. Engage in activities that align with your values and goals. You never know where you'll find your next great connection. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there and connect with people who inspire you. Attend motivational talks, read books by influential authors, and immerse yourself in content that uplifts and educates you. Expand your horizons and stay curious. And finally, be selective with your friendships. While it's important to be friendly and approachable, be mindful of the energy you attract. Distance yourself from negative or toxic individuals who bring you down, and seek out those who believe in you and your dreams. Building a strong support system takes time, but the rewards are immeasurable. So invest in your relationships and watch how your confidence soars to new heights. There you have it, 6 daily habits that will build unshakable confidence. Remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination. So embrace the process, celebrate your progress, and never stop growing. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you'll witness a remarkable transformation in your confidence levels and overall well-being. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more empowering content. Thanks for watching.